Go. Click, clap, pull it. Click, clap, pull it. Click, click.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we show how to import NC layer and how to edit NC layer. So first open Orchid layout. First we import NC layer and one Gerber layer for reference of NC layer. So first import. First I will import one copper layer. So it's copper layer. I am defined it. For shortcut, press Y, click enter and select top layer. OK. Now I will import one NC layer. For this, import and NC drill and mill. For import of NC layer, we select import and NC drill or mill. So here already path is set, so this is my DRL drill layer. Select it and OK. So this is our NC layer, and NC layer is by default set, so we don't need to set a type of layer. NC layer. OK. Here Control R for home, Control and Control plus R, it's for home page. If I am zoom it like this and I need home, so we press Control plus R. So this is NC layer and this is our Gerber area. So first I have set color of NC layer, so we see it easily. Here some NC layer is red and draw and place also nearest to red color, so we don't identify NC layer. So first we set color of NC layer. So for NC layer, this option is for NC layer editing. So first we go and set up NC tools. Press. So this is number 1 2 3 4 5. This is size, this is type and quantity and color. First I am for color. First I am click on color. First right click and set all tools and set your color. So I have set here blue color for all. So now all NC layer are in blue color, and now I am on Gerber layer. So now I am easily see blue color is NC layer and other is Gerber mark. So Control R. So here is also color set. I want to, my second tool is in red color. Then I am go specify place and right click. Just click on it and take a red color. Click on it, set color. Click on it and set color. So for all tool we want to same color, then right click, set tool and set your color. For any single bit to single tool we want to color, then just click and set your color. So this is color menu, and now this is number. We also set number like in whenever we export this NC layer, then there is number 1 2 3 ascending and descending also we set, and also we set manually, like I want its second number, then click on it 2, click it here 1, then 0. Okay, then first first 3.2 is our first bit, and I am set first bit is 0.9, then set. If I want 3.28 first bit, then click on it set 1, and here click on it set 2, and click anywhere and number, then 3.2 is first bit, so we set number from here. And this is size. In any production house we set a size. The customer size is idle, and so we add some size, like in single side we add 0.05 mm, and in double side we add 0.15 mm. It is already added, but if here is not added size, then we add like this. If this is a double side job there, so I am add like this 3.2 and 3.2 plus 0.15, so this is 3.35, which is 0.9, so we add 0.15, so it's 1.05, like this all. One 1.9, so 2.05, 3.05, so 3.2, 4.05, 4.2. So we set like this. It's because of in double side we in production house first we in after drilling we need to PTH department. In this hole is filled with some copper, so its size is decreased because of this copper. So first we add some size for our idle size. So this is mask, it is idle size or mask size. So we take reference after added if we want to the recheck. And there is two type, drill and mill. Mill is for routing and drill is for single hit. And this is quantity of drill. 3.35 have 8 quantity. If we want to see where is 3.35 hole, then first we set all color. I am set all pink color, and we want to see 3.35 size bit drill head, and it is 8. Then I am set just one bit color, and it's blue, and okay. So now we identify this 3.35 drill. It's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So we identify any of this bit of color by setting. If I want 1.2 drill head identify, then I am set bit number 4, 8 blue color. So 1.2 drill is here. So this is a set of color, and here is some option like merge. So if I am know this 1.05 and 1.10 is approximately same. If any production, if any PCB is not a dense job or not a critical job, then for the sort of drill head, sort of drill number, we combine 2 bit. Like if want to combine 2 and 3 tool, 1.05 and 1.10, then we first we close it, and there is a second option, change NC tool. We press on it, and here some option of tools, like, so we right click on it, and first we unselect all and select just one bit which we want to merge. Here we merge as two layer into second bit into third bit, so I am first select second bit or OK. So here we see that tools 2 is active, not other tool active. If I am select any, here is mode, window and tool. I am select window. So here is just active is tool second, so here select any. Now you work in working area any of just effective drill is a tool 2, so I will take no, and now NC tool, now control R, so home, and now I will select, and now change NC tool. Now here is second tool is selected all, so new tool meaning one. I am select tool 3, so second tool is merged with tool number 3. Here is OK. So now we see in NC, so here second tool drill is quantity is added to in tool number 3, it is 154, and here is no quantity, mean it's 1.05 have no any drill head. So first we OK, NC tool, and compact it compact out. If we press in compact, then it is a remove unused tool, like here all tool have some drill head. Here is one tool number 2 have no any drill head, so it is unused for us in this Gerber. So we press yes, so it's removed, and number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and OK, and it is yes and OK. So we merge like this, and OK. After this there is Gerber. I am take one Gerber also for the reference. In most of case and in general, the NC layer drill head is in the center of any pad, any flash. Here control R. If it is not in flash, not in center, then we have one option, automatic option for it center it. So go in edit and snap pad. So it is we set one some golden layer like reference layer, so I am set layer 1, and snap layer it's our NC layer, and we take tolerance it is by default 1 to 7, so we said OK. So here is snap 20 misalignment pad, so here is 24 pads where the our NC layer drill head is not aligned with this Gerber area, so it's automatic solve it and take it center. So we got yes, control R. खड़ी पर रखना। So it is our NC layer, and after said NC layer, if you want to the expert MP layer, then file, export, and NC layer, and this is our destination. If I want to it export in desktop, then I am select desktop. Okay, the out destination folder path is selected, and then data format. Data in all production data format is different in all production house. In general, I am set for Giga machine, and it's 3x3, absolute, leading, and metric. It's okay. The data format is also set. So set now. This is our file name. If you want to edit, then we also edit file name. I have set 1, 2, 3, and okay. So first one software one time confirm, proceed with layer 2 export, and we take it yes. So this is our output. This is our output format. Okay, thank you guys.